Exceptional cars, priced below $10K. Who said you need a treasure chest to ride in style? Not us. Buckle up as we debunk the myth that you need to break the bank for a sleek set of wheels. Welcome to the world where luxury doesn't mean pricey, and reliability comes without a hefty price tag. Yes, you heard it right. We're navigating through the urban legend that has us all believing we need to spend a fortune to enjoy the thrill of driving a fantastic car. Hey savvy savers and pragmatic petrol heads. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, where we turbocharge your car knowledge without denting your wallet. Today, we're shifting gears into an extraordinary journey exploring how the open road is accessible to all, no matter the size of your piggy bank. Gone are the days when a reliable car was synonymous with a hefty loan or eye-watering monthly payments. We're here to show you that for less than the price of a high-end smartphone, you can get behind the wheel of a car that's not just a means to an end, but a partner in your daily adventures. So, if you're dreaming of that new car smell, but your budget is screaming, think again, stick around. We're about to unveil a lineup of exceptional cars that are not just priced below $10K, but are set to redefine your drive without driving you into debt. Let's hit the road to discovery, where affordability meets reliability in a spectacular showdown. The smart economics of opting for used cars. In the fast-paced world of automotive wonders, the allure of a brand new car, with its pristine condition and the latest features, is undeniable. However, the moment it rolls out of the dealership, its value plunges like a stone in water, a phenomenon known as depreciation. This rapid value loss in the initial years makes new cars a less than ideal choice for the financially savvy. On the flip side, used cars emerge as the knights in shining armor for budget-conscious buyers. They offer the reliability and functionality of their newer counterparts, but at a fraction of the cost. The trick lies in looking beyond the odometer and considering factors like the car's maintenance history, overall condition, and long-term reliability. After all, a well-maintained used car can be just as good, if not better, than a new one, especially when it comes to getting the most bang for your buck. The Hall of Fame for affordable rides. Let's dive into a curated list of vehicles that prove you don't need to compromise on quality, even with a tighter budget. These models blend reliability, efficiency, and comfort, making them ideal choices for anyone looking to maximize value. Toyota Camry 2012, the reliable workhorse. The Toyota Camry has long been the poster child for durability and reliability in the automotive world. The 2012 model, in particular, stands out for its robust engineering and low maintenance demands, ensuring a hassle-free ownership experience. It's the car that asks for nothing more than regular checkups, and in return offers countless miles of smooth driving. Honda Accord 2011, the enduring classic. The Honda Accord has a reputation for being one of the most reliable cars on the market, with many models proudly surpassing the 15-year mark with grace. The 2011 Accord continues this legacy, offering a blend of comfort, efficiency, and resilience that's hard to match. It's more than just a car, it's a dependable companion for the long haul. Honda Civic 2013, the efficient innovator. With the 2013 Civic, Honda once again proves its mastery in creating vehicles that are both fuel-efficient and feature-packed. This model comes with modern necessities like Bluetooth connectivity and backup cameras, ensuring that you're not left wanting in the tech department. Plus, its excellent gas mileage means more road trips and fewer stops at the pump. Toyota Corolla 2012, the compact champion. The Toyota Corolla is synonymous with consistency, and the 2012 model is no exception. Features like keyless entry add a touch of modern convenience, while its legendary reliability ensures peace of mind. It's the ideal choice for those seeking a compact car that delivers on both performance and practicality. Mazda 3 2013, the stylish performer. The Mazda 3, available in both sedan and hatchback versions, brings a dash of style to the affordable car segment. The 2013 model stands out for its fuel efficiency and the option to upgrade to the luxurious Grand Touring models. It's a vehicle that proves economy doesn't have to be boring, offering a spirited driving experience and eye-catching aesthetics. Alright, quick pit stop, folks. If your car were an ice cream flavor, what would it be and why? Drop your flavorful answers in the comments below, and let's see which car gets crowned the coolest scoop on the road. And now, let's shift gears back into our under $10K car parade. Buckle up, because these next models are just as sweet. The Great Outdoorsman's Companion 2013 Subaru Outback. For those who live by the mantra, "The world is my backyard," the 2013 Subaru Outback is more than a car. It's a ticket to adventure, striking the perfect balance between a sedan's ease and an SUV's robustness. The Outback is the go-to chariot for outdoor enthusiasts. With ample space to haul camping gear, groceries, or even a kayak, This wagon doesn't just take you places, it invites you to explore. Its all-wheel drive capability ensures that whether it's a snowy path or a muddy trail, the Outback is ready to tackle it head-on, making every journey an escapade. The urbanite's dream. 2010 Toyota Venza city dwellers rejoice. The 2010 Toyota Venza is here to wrap you in comfort without cramping your style. This crossover marvel blends the best of both worlds, offering the plush comfort of a sedan with the spaciousness and versatility of an SUV. Its stylish design turns heads, while the roomy interior ensures that passengers and cargo travel in utmost comfort. Whether it's a quick jaunt to the market or a weekend getaway, the Venza stands out as a chic, practical choice for the modern urbanite. The patriotic choice, Ford Fusion patriotism on wheels, the Ford Fusion is a testament to American ingenuity. With its luxurious features, such as heated seats and high-quality audio, the Fusion adds a touch of class to every journey. It's not just a car, it's a mobile oasis where comfort meets innovation. The top-of-the-line titanium trim brings a slice of luxury to the everyday, making even the most mundane commutes feel like a first-class experience. For those loyal to American-made excellence, the Ford Fusion is a shining beacon of style and comfort, the all-weather warrior, Subaru Impreza. When Mother Nature throws a curveball, the Subaru Impreza swings back with gusto. Known for its all-weather prowess, the Impreza is the stalwart companion through rain, sleet, or snow. Its fuel efficiency means you can go further on less, making it the smart choice for both the environment and your wallet. With options for leather seats, the Impreza adds a touch of luxury to resilience, proving that you can have the best of both worlds. For the intrepid explorer who refuses to be sidelined by the elements, the Impreza stands ready to conquer. The Continental Cruiser, 2012 Volkswagen GTI. For those with a penchant for European flair and a need for speed, the 2012 Volkswagen GTI is a love letter on wheels. This hatchback brings a touch of European sophistication to the daily drive, combining a sleek design with a turbocharged engine that promises exhilaration at every turn. The optional sunroof opens up a world of joy, letting in the sun on bright days and the stars on clear nights. It's not just a car, it's an experience, offering a slice of continental luxury that's both accessible and exhilarating. Smart financing for smart buyers. In the realm of car ownership, wisdom lies not just in the choice of vehicle but in the strategy of acquisition. The golden rule? Avoid monthly car payments like the plague. Owning your car outright is not just a mark of financial savvy, it's a liberation from the chains of interest and depreciation. Enter the concept of the sinking fund, your financial lifeboat in the sea of savings. This strategy involves setting aside a small amount each month, earmarked for your future car purchase. It's a disciplined, gradual approach that culminates in the sweet victory of paying cash for your car. For those who've triumphantly cleared the debt hurdle or built a robust emergency fund, the path to car ownership becomes even smoother. Without the drag of monthly debt payments, saving up for your dream car transitions from a marathon to a sprint. So embrace the journey and remember, the best things in life are debt-free. And there you have it, road warriors and penny pinchers alike, our tour de force through the world of exceptional cars under 10K, proving once and for all that the road to happiness is paved with savvy choices, not just dollar bills. If you've enjoyed this joyride through budget-friendly boulevards and insightful financial detours, don't just sit there in the passenger seat. Rev up your engines, hit that subscribe button, and join the Car Computer Exchange convoy. Here, we don't just exchange car computers, we swap stories, share wisdom, and speed towards smarter, happier driving futures. Buckle up and subscribe, because with Car Computer Exchange, the best rides are yet to come. Drive smart, spend smarter, and keep cruising with us. See you on the next adventure.